Hello friends. Today, we're moving on to the next step of this project, and that is the wooden work. Finally, the truck loaded with wood has arrived on site, and now the real transformation is about to begin. From this point onward, you'll start to see the structure turning into a beautiful and complete home, with detailed woodwork adding style, strength, and character. So make sure you stay with me throughout this full video, watch every step of my work, and enjoy the entire process. Now, I've started the wooden work on top of the block structure. This is an important phase because the wood will shape the upper framework and add both strength and design to the house. I'm carefully placing and fixing each wooden piece, making sure everything is aligned perfectly and securely connected. The reason I'm focusing so much on this step is simple. I want this house to be extremely strong and long-lasting. Good quality wood, combined with proper installation, will make the entire structure more stable and reliable. Step by step, the building is evolving, from a solid block base to a beautifully structured wooden framework. The first line of wood on top of the block wall is extremely important. It has to be fixed very strongly and perfectly, because this layer will carry the load of everything that comes above it. I'm making sure each piece is tightly secured, properly aligned, and firmly connected to the structure. There's no room for mistakes at this stage. Because this is the base of the wooden framework, if this is strong, everything built on top will also be strong and stable. All the hard work we've put in so far should truly pay off, and that's why I'm giving full attention to this step. And here you can see, I've successfully completed the first wooden layer on top of the block structure. This step has been done very strongly and carefully, making sure the entire base of the wooden framework is solid and secure. Now the whole structure is starting to look more complete, more defined, and much more impressive than before. You can clearly see the transformation, from simple block walls to a strong, structured frame that's ready for the next stage. So tell me, how does it look now? After all the hard work and effort, I'd really like to hear your thoughts. Because for me, this is not just construction, it's a vision coming to life, step by step. Always remember one thing when building a house. Never be cheap when it comes to materials. Trying to save money by choosing low-quality materials might seem like a good idea at first, but it can cause serious problems later. Instead, always go for the best quality you can afford. Because strong, reliable materials are the foundation of a safe and long-lasting home. They not only increase the durability of the structure, but also improve the overall look and finish of the house. In the end, a well-built home is not about saving money in the beginning, it's about building something that stays strong for years. So choose wisely, because quality today means safety and peace of mind tomorrow. This house is being built as a two-story structure. Right now, I'm focusing on making the first floor roof extremely strong, because it will have to carry a lot of weight from the upper level and all the household items. That's why I'm putting extra attention into reinforcement, materials, and proper construction techniques at this stage. The roof is not just a surface, it's a major structural element that supports everything above it. If it's not strong enough, it can create serious problems later. So I'm making sure it is built solid, stable, and fully capable of handling heavy loads without any risk. This is where strength truly matters, because a strong roof means a safe and reliable upper floor. Right now, the wooden frame for the roof is being built. I'm carefully assembling each piece, making sure every joint is fixed properly and securely. These connections are very important because they hold the entire frame together. Each joint is being aligned with precision and tightened firmly so that the structure remains stable and strong. This wooden framework will support the roof, so it has to be perfectly balanced and well connected from every side. If the joints are weak, the whole frame can lose strength. That's why I'm giving extra attention to every connection point. This is where craftsmanship really matters, building a solid frame that will carry everything above it. By placing and fixing these wooden planks in this specific pattern, the structure becomes strong enough to heavy weight. This arrangement is not random, it's done in a way that evenly distributes the load across the entire frame. Each plank supports the other, creating a solid and balanced surface that can handle pressure without bending or weakening. I'm carefully aligning and securing every piece so that there are no gaps or loose sections. This tight and structured placement increases the overall strength of the roof framework. With this method, the wood doesn't just sit in place, it works together as a unified system, making the structure more durable and reliable. This is how proper technique turns simple wood into a strong, load-bearing surface. Now, I'm going to place a hardboard layer on top of this wooden structure. This step is very important because the hardboard will create a smooth, solid surface over the wooden frame. I'm carefully positioning each board, making sure it fits perfectly and covers the entire area without any gaps. Once fixed properly, it will strengthen the structure even more and provide a stable base for the next layers. This layer also helps in distributing the weight evenly across the frame, making the roof stronger and more durable. With the hardboard in place, the structure starts to look more complete and ready for the final finishing stages. Step by step, everything is coming together, turning this framework into a solid, well-built roof. Fixing the hardboard using glue first, and then securing it with nails. This method is very important because it provides double strength. The glue creates a strong bond between the surfaces, while the nails lock everything firmly in place. I'm making sure each board is tightly fixed, with no movement or gaps. This combination of glue and nails ensures that the hardboard stays solid and stable over time. This is not just about placing boards, it's about making the structure and long-lasting. Because when both bonding and mechanical support are used together, the result is much stronger and more reliable. Step by step, I'm making sure that every part of this roof is built with maximum strength and precision. Today, the weather is absolutely beautiful. It makes working on this project even more enjoyable. The atmosphere is perfect, and it gives extra energy to keep going. And the best part is, there isn't much work left now. After all the hard effort and long days, we are getting closer to the final stages of this build. Every step from here feels more exciting, because you can clearly see the house coming together. So with this amazing weather and just a little work remaining, it's time to push forward and finish strong. Now, the wooden walls of the upper floor are being constructed. This is an exciting stage because the second level of the house is finally starting to take shape. You can clearly see the structure rising and turning into a complete two-story home. I'm carefully placing and fixing each wooden section, making sure the walls are straight, strong, and properly aligned. These wooden walls are not just for design, they also add structure, support, and stability to the upper floor. Every joint, every connection is being secured tightly to ensure long-term durability. Step by step, the upper level is coming together, and the house is now looking more complete than ever before. On the front side of the first floor, I have created the spaces for the windows and the main door. This step is very important because it defines how the house will look from the front and how natural light and air will enter the space. Each opening has been carefully measured and positioned to ensure proper alignment and balance in the overall design. The window spaces will allow fresh air and sunlight to flow inside, making the interior bright and comfortable. And the door opening is placed in a way that it gives easy access while also enhancing the front appearance of the house. At this stage, the structure is not just about strength anymore, it's also about planning comfort, design, and functionality. The house is coming together step by step. Every stage, every detail is slowly building up into something bigger and more complete. Right now, you can see the progress, but the real magic is still ahead. Because when everything is finally finished, the result will be something you won't believe. You'll look at it and be truly amazed at how this simple beginning turned into something so beautiful and impressive. Just keep watching this journey till the end, because the final result is going to surprise you. Now, the process of compacting the upper floor roof has begun. This is a very important stage, where the surface is being properly leveled and pressed to make it strong and uniform. The goal here is to ensure that the entire roof becomes solid, with no weak spots or uneven areas. Every section is being carefully handled so that the structure gains maximum strength and stability. This process helps the materials settle firmly, making the roof more durable and ready for the next finishing layers. It may look like a simple step, but it plays a huge role in the long-term performance of the building. Because a well-compacted roof means better strength, better durability, and a safer structure overall. Honestly, tell me, how does the house look so far? I know it's still just the structure, just the frame, and not fully finished yet. But even at this stage, you can already see the shape, the design, and the vision starting to come together. From a simple beginning to this strong framework, it's been a journey full of hard work and dedication. And this is only the skeleton. Imagine how it will look once everything is fully completed. I truly believe the final result is going to be something amazing. But for now, I'd love to hear your honest opinion. Always make sure your wood cutting machinery is top quality. Because when most of the work depends on wood, the precision of cutting becomes extremely important. If the machinery is not accurate, the cuts won't be clean, and that can affect the entire structure. That's why I'm using high-quality equipment to ensure every cut is smooth, sharp, and perfectly aligned. Clean cutting not only improves the fitting of each piece, but also increases the overall strength and finish of the construction. In woodwork, even a small mistake in cutting can create gaps, weakness, or misalignment. So it's very important to maintain quality tools and machines. Because perfect cutting leads to perfect fitting, and perfect fitting leads to a strong and beautiful result. As you can see, I've created a complete wooden grid across the entire roof. Every piece has been carefully placed and connected, forming a strong and well-structured framework. This grid is not just for support, it's the backbone of the roof system. Now, I've successfully moved one step further in this construction journey. With this stage completed, the structure is becoming stronger, more stable, and closer to its final form. Step by step, progress is clearly visible, and every completed phase brings new energy and motivation. This is how a project grows, from simple beginnings to a solid, well-built structure. And trust me, we're getting closer to something truly amazing. I've put a lot of hard work into building this house. Every step, every detail you've seen has taken time, effort, and full dedication. So I kindly request all of you, please support my channel. Your support means a lot to me. It motivates me to keep going, to keep building, and to bring even better projects for you in the future. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. Because your support is the real strength behind my work. Together, we can make this journey even bigger and more amazing. And now, you can see, this step is also complete. Step by step, we're moving forward, and the project is getting closer to its final shape. But this is not the end yet. Once everything is 100% finished, that's when the real moment will come. I want all of you to watch the final result and then give your honest rating to this project out of 100. Because your opinion truly matters to me. All this hard work, all this effort, it's for you to see, enjoy, and judge. So stay with me till the end. And when it's fully complete, let me know, how many marks does this project really deserve?